Alright, doing some of these inserted thread things. There's a name for them, but slips me right now, the name. If you screw it in too tight, it's hard to get out, so that's what I like to do. Screw it in there so far that I have a hard time getting it out. See, right there. That shows you the spot where it's hard to get out. That tool is not that expensive. A lot of people like to weld nuts up underneath there. I procrastinated about getting one of them, and if you can saunt it, I can't tell if you can see it or not. There you go. That's it. I used it on my spinning device for the compressor cutter, and it gave me threads, but then I didn't put them in the right place. So, yep, that's kind of how I work. I'm a trial and error kind of guy. Most of it's error, and yep, that's how it works for me. Trial and error, mostly error. Now I might put these in and find out that I may not even use them. I know one thing, I've drilled enough holes in the hinge already that I've already screwed it up, so I'll probably end up getting a new hinge because I don't like it. And then I'll have to try to figure out where the holes are at. So it's going that easy. And the other side of the hinge is threaded into the frame of the window, so it's pretty heavy duty there. Heavy duty, so I really won't have to worry about putting some of these guys in here. Let me call it hide a nut. Yeah, hide a nut. Yep, I worked at a place that used to have those square things. I had them somewhere, so I brought some of them home just because they're kind of easy, kind of neat, where they just put this big huge chunk on, and then they weld it on the frame, and then you already got a nut on the inside. So here's that guy. All right, that in itself give me a workout. Yeah. And so let me see if I can. Hopefully, I didn't. Screw that up when I drilled holes in it. Huh? Get all of them fit in there. Well, they might not. And then I might have to retrofit the. We're already done. We're already done, huh? Huh? Let's see. I only got one that don't wanna. I only got one that don't want to go in. How's that? Isn't that par for the course? Huh? And then just talking about that. I already lost one of my bolts. Looks like they all moved. They all moved to one side. can never drill a hole. Never drill a hole straight through. That's what I've found so far. They all look like they're where it's supposed to be, but very few. If you re-drill it, it goes in the same place. Yeah, they all moved over. Well, I lied. I got 2 to work, and 3 may not. But you can always cut that part of the video, whether or not going the way I want them to, huh? Yep. 2 went, one's giving me a hard time, and the other 2 will probably give me a hard time too, so pretty much how it works for me. Huh? Look at that. I am sure glad hinges have a little bit of flex to them, because if not, I'd be in trouble. Huh? Mm-hmm. Alright, this is what I'm dealing with in the inside. See, it looks like it's fine there. This guy lines up right here. That's that brace where I wanted to. And that's pretty much where I want that bend to be. Now, we'll bring you around to the other side. And that's not the same. Excuse me. Yep. Wouldn't matter so much that way, because I'm gonna have that foam around there. So if you follow across the top, it looks like my gap is pretty much okay, I assume. You know what I'm saying about a gap? The gap between that piece back there that I have and this. But I'm going to put one over on this side, so it still won't affect it. The brace. And it does have a bend to it. See, I'm trying to put my screws in along here, and I can't get it just right. How to do it, I don't know. But most of my hope for this door, no matter how I do it, this side's perfect. It comes across here, and this side's down, and this side's got a big gap. I'm going to put a piece of trim over that to cover it up, but you know what I'm saying, I got pretty good gap there. This side's perfect, so what I'm going to do there. Said I got one screw there, one here, I got that one there. I was working on these other guys because I put them in the wrong position. If you remember what I was trying to explain to you. So, yep. And I can elongate the, you know, the holes and the stuff, but if I need to be, but that's a heck of a gap there, guys. But I can't seem to see that hole lines up just right. This one does, but look. And see how I'm gonna get rid of it, because she's just not participating. Got lots of room in there, don't I? I mean, the top is kind of thin in there, but it doesn't drag on that side. Alright, there, I got the hinge tightened up so it won't flop on me, and it's not dragging. It's rubbing on this piece here. So I don't know. I guess I try to push this up and get my other screw in here on this end. Maybe it'll be better. I think most of it's just this being bent. See it being bent down here. Killing me. It's killing me. Alright, so I was able to get them pretty close to where I want them. And pretty much centered across this guy. Up there. Hey, once I put that other brace back in, like the other brace I want to put in there, it'll straighten it right out, I think. You know what I'm saying? Oh, that hurt. Yeah. But you can't figure out what I'm talking about. I want to put this brace on this side. On this side, I had to grind it down because it hit that. So I want to put it on this side, so that would straighten this guy out. Alright? So I can use the grinder along, grind these spots off. And then I can put this guy back on this side. Alright, but that still doesn't fix what I was showing you prior to this. Just where this is different than the other. And it makes no sense to me because this is 14 3/4. Oh. Yeah. There you go. Can't measure. Of course you didn't see that. This side's 14 3/4. Now, let's go with 14 and a half on that side. And this side is 14 3/4. So everything is all 1/4 inch off. Huh? Want me to build your house for you? Yeah, right there. Sign me up. Build your house. It's funny because I was surprised if some of your houses are not more than 1/4 inch off. But they make it all up in that mud and that drywall. You never know unless you got tape measure in there. So I think I'm right on cue. So anyways, I got where I wanted to get today in this guy is I wanted to take and screw this guy in. Screw the guy in and see it's done. But That's not the only thing that's off. It's my center of my hinge is just a little bit down on this side here than I wanted. It's right down that side. Over on that side, it's just right in the center. And this side here, it's down. So if I make another hinge for this guy, I can recoup that. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I can show you my mistake or not. Can you saunt it? Can you saunt it up there, guys? See? You can see it. It's not in the center. She dropped. But, yep. And this guy over here, you can see that one, huh? You can see that one's right in the center. And that guy over here, he dropped down a little bit. It's only like just a smidge. It's only like a smidgen. Half a smidgen. Actually, it's the same. It's almost the thickness of the center part if you don't get the shot. Let me see how much it dropped. Well, it's an inch mark there, and it's dropped down to 3/16, at least 3/16. She dropped. Yeah, she's right on the edge of this, so I'm teetering more like a quarter. It's dropped. So, anyways, I'll redo this hinge or elongate my holes to do that. Elongating the holes is quite a big undertaking, I think. Alright, so I'm going to try to put something together here out of this mess. And I get the hiccups trying to talk too much. Turn the heat down and try to put something together out of this mess that I can get a few people to watch, I guess. Alright, leave a comment at the bottom and subscribe and be good and get out there and do your project, eh?